뮤엠blue,
rw7. Story time. What a mess! It is a peaceful day, and Sarah's family is enjoying a picnic in their garden. Suddenly, Sarah's father sees a hurricane coming. He gathers everyone, and he tells them to move to the basement. Everyone is in the basement. But where's Happy? Uh-oh, Happy is missing. Sarah's father goes outside to find Happy.
Happy? Happy!
Suddenly, trees along the street are blown away. Windows shatter and garbage flies all around.
Happy! There you are!
Sarah's father quickly brings Happy to the basement. And then everyone waits. No one leaves until the hurricane passes. Finally, the hurricane passes. Everyone walks outside. Oh no! The neighborhood is a mess. Now, everyone must clean up. Story time. Hurricanes.
Hurricanes are very powerful. They can be hundreds of kilometers wide. In the U.S., hurricanes hit during the warmest months of the year. How do hurricanes form? First, the sun heats up the sea. Then, the water from the sea starts to evaporate. Warm, moist air rises. Then, cold air moves under the warm air. And the cold air continues to push the warm air up. The warm, moist air forms a cloud. The clouds start to swirl, and a small storm begins. The storm swirls around in a donut shape. It grows bigger and bigger. And this is what we call a hurricane.
Story time. Manatees. Manatees are sea animals that are also called sea cows. Manatees are not pretty, but they are very gentle. In fact, they are so gentle that they get scared easily like cows. They also eat plants just like cows. Manatees are mammals. Like all mammals, they need to breathe air. Also, baby manatees need their mother's milk. Manatees are unique because they can live in both freshwater and saltwater. But they must live in warm water. So, when their environment gets cold, they move to warmer water. They can move from seas to rivers. It's hard to see manatees now. That's because humans are ruining their environment. Story time. Manatees in danger.
There are many endangered animals in the sea. The manatee is one of them. it is endangered because of humans. We have ruined manatees' natural environments. Landfills cause water to become muddy. When the water becomes muddy, the plants do not get any sunlight. If the plants don't get sunlight, then they die, and manatees cannot eat. Then manatees die off. Dams and canals are another problem. Building dams and canals causes river courses to change. Then manatees cannot leave the colder water, and they die off. That's because manatees need to live in warm water. We need to protect manatees' environments now. Otherwise, we may never see manatees on Earth again.
Story time. What's wrong with my children?
One day, a mama chicken finds eggs lying on the ground. She sits on them. And one day, the eggs hatch. But chicks do not hatch from the eggs. Instead, ducklings hatch from the eggs. The ducklings grow big, and they like to explore. So, they run off without mama often. They go to the stream every day and play in the water. Mama worries that they might drown. Mama chicken digs in the ground to find delicious worms. Then she gives the worms to the ducklings. But they don't eat the worms. Instead, they dig for food themselves. This makes Mama sad.
What's wrong with my children? Story time. Ducks and chickens.
Ducks and chickens are farm animals. They are similar in some ways. They're both birds, but they can't fly. They eat similar things, but they are also different in some ways. Ducks have special oil that they spread on their feathers. Then their feathers become waterproof. But chickens don't have that special oil. So their feathers are not waterproof. Ducks have webbed feet, so they swim well. But chickens don't have webbed feet, so they can't swim. Ducklings are very independent. They like to explore. But chicks are not independent. They never leave their mother's side. As you can see, ducklings and chicks are similar, yet different.
뭐지?